Welcome. In this quick lesson, let's explore how management is both an art and a science, and what it really means to be an effective manager. At its core, management is the process of getting things done through and with people. It involves planning, organizing, and directing resources, both human and material, to meet a goal. Now, let's look at the science of management. Early in the 20th century, management focused heavily on scientific principles, like improving efficiency, studying leadership styles, and designing organizational structures. These ideas are backed by research and data, which helps managers make informed decisions. But here's the catch. Management doesn't behave like chemistry or math. There are no perfect formulas. People are unpredictable, and that's where the art of management comes in. The art is about intuition, judgment, and experience. It's what managers draw on when leading through conflict, inspiring a team, or making tough calls in uncertain moments. So, effective managers combine both sides, the data-driven decisions of science and the people-centered instincts of art. Now let's talk about what makes a manager truly effective. First, they know their organization inside and out, its mission, clients, services, setting, and the regulations that apply to it. Second, they understand their environment. That includes internal strengths, external challenges, and how to adapt and innovate as conditions change. Third, they lead people well. They create a positive workplace, reduce conflict, communicate clearly, and support growth through training, fair pay, and development. Fourth, they focus on continuous quality improvement, always pushing for excellence. And finally, they stay ahead of trends, whether it's new technology, changing policies, or social issues. They act as leaders of change, not just managers of the status quo. So, is management an art or a science? The answer is, it's both. And the best managers are the ones who can balance analysis with empathy, strategy with communication, and structure with flexibility. Think about a time when you observed someone in a leadership role, at work, school, or in your community. In what ways did they demonstrate the art of management? In what ways did they apply the science of management?